So sudo su for the root user. Right now I'm root user. You can add some user with this command, user add, and I'm going to add a user with Akshay. User is add. You can check into the home directory. There is user add with Akshay name, and also you can check the password policies and the other things in like grep Akshay /etc and passwd. So this is the username, password pointer, UID, GID, and this is the home directory, and this is the login cell. So you can change the UID for this user. You can change the UID um, for password set. You can set the password with passwd command Akshay. I am set password for 1234 1234, and my password is set. And also I'm change the UID for this user with the user mode command. User mode hyphen u for UID. I'm going to set the UID is 1020, and the username, my user ID is set. You can check into the passwd file. My UID is changed. You can change the comment for this. There is no comment, this column is blank, and you can change the comment for this hyphen c, and like IT admin comment will be in the column, and space username, like comment is changed. You can check into the passwd file. And also if you change the login cell, you are unable to log in into the Akshay. You are unable to log in into the Akshay cell. Like I'm change su hyphen Akshay. Right now I'm in Akshay cell, and I'm going to change sudo sudo su password for Akshay 1234. Use Akshay is not in the sudo file. If you want to take the root privileges, you need to add Akshay in sudo file. So sudo file located in /etc/sudo. So I'm going to switch user as su hyphen ec2 hyphen user. Password is 1234. Password is not set for ec2 user. That's why it shows failure. So we need to create some duplicate session and set password for ec2 user. ec2 hyphen user sudo su and passwd ec2 hyphen user. I'm going to set password for that 1234. Password is set. Now here you can check su1234. It's working. And also uh, I'm going to add another user. User add Aman, and I'm going to permission denied. Let's make it super user. User add Aman, and Aman is added, and also I set password for Aman 1234. Password is set for Aman. And also if you use this command user del Aman, that means only the user is deleted, but the directory and the data is saved for Aman. If you run this command, that means Aman user is deleted, but the data and other things are existing in your system. If you delete from this command like aman user del hyphen rbf hyphen rf, so that means all data and the user will be deleted. And if you change the login cell for the aman, I'm going to grab aman and also forward slash etc pass wd file. There is the login cell. I'm going to change the login cell like vim slash etc pass wd file, and vim command is not found, so I need to install for the vim installation like yum install vim. I need to install vim in this red hat. So yes, so vim command is now working. Then etc pass wd, I'm going to add it into some files. I'm going to change the login cell I for insert like and save as this. Now I'm checking login with the aman su aman permission denied, failed to execute the files. So that's why aman is not logged in. If I changed the configuration file and again changed bin bash for bin bash is a default set for a user. And you can also set the you can also show the status of user aman. That means aman, this is the username, password set, ps for password set. Here you can see password set, and also I'm going to check uh, if I log the password for aman, pass wd hyphen l for lock, and I'm going to lock aman password. Bash command, sorry, my command is wrong, pass wd, so password is logged. Now you can check the status for pass wdl, password is logged, you are unable to log in with this account. And you can delete the password for aman hyphen, use the hyphen d, you can d for delete the password for aman, password is deleted. And you can check with again status, password is empty, you can set password aman 234. And also you can set password with this command echo. I'm going to set the password for aman with some script file or with some command. I'm going to set password for aman at the rate 123 and pipe symbol, and also pass wd hyphen hyphen stdin, and my username is aman. So if you run this command, that means password automatically set aman at the rate 123 for aman user. Yesterday we run this command, but not successfully done due to the os difference.
Yeah,
Okay,
always difference. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, os difference, that's why command is not working. But here we can create here we can create here I'm going to create my dot sh file, sorry, akshay dot sh file, mm, k dot sh file. I'm going to create a script file in this, and mm, has exclamatory sign and forward slash bin slash bash. I'm going to create a script file for user add, and also set the password for that. Okay, so I'm going to create a script file, like I'm going to create a user, mm, was. I'm going to create a user was Vazi, and also set some default password for that. Echo password print. Echo command is for the print the text. So I'm going to set the password for 1234 5 symbol, and also pass wd hyphen hyphen stdin and my username is Vazi. Okay, so I'm going to save this file. Tasin, let's see if I run this script file. User is created and also set password for that. So I'm going to run this command sh a dot sh. So you can check changing user is created, Vazi user is created, and also set password for this. Yesterday this command is not working uh, because the OS is different. Hello.
Hearing.
Yeah. So yesterday we see this command is not working because the OS difference. If I add some another thing in this, like I'm going to add some another things in this, and also password lock. I set it for the password lock, paswd hyphen l for lock, and Vazi. Like I'm going to run again this file. That means locking password for Vazi. This looks like a script file for that, and also we check the change command for that, like chage change hyphen l for Vazi. Mm, that means password expiry, sorry, last password change 15 December. Password expiry never. Password inactive. Password inactive means user can log in after these days. If I set it for 2 days, that means user can log in after 2 days. User can log in after 2 days of password expiry. And account expiry never. I set it for manually. I set it for change. My username is Vazi. I set it for minimum ages password, like I set it for 10 days. Someone entered in my company for the temporary basis, so I set for the desired 10, and maximum age is 20, and last password change I need to enter the date of today, and password warning, it's give me warning before I set 4 days. It's give me warning before 4 days. of password expiry and password inactive. If I set it for 3, that means a password expire on 10th December. That means user can log in 13th of December. If I set it 3, that means uh, the date is 15 December. If I set it 3, that means 15 plus 3 equal to 18, and user can log in till the 18th of December. If I set it 4, so user can log in till the 19th of the December. Account expiration date. Here I'm enter the date 20210101 for account expiry entered. So you can check the status with change hyphen help. You can check the change hyphen help. So L for list, M for middays, middays, hour days, and also uh, we have two methods for set the default directory. User mode hyphen D. I'm going to set the default directory for home. Mm, let's check. We have how many default directories: cd forward slash home ls. So we have 4 user right now. uh, I'm going to create another directory for this mkdir 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 aqy. I'm going to create a directory with aqy, and also if I need to set the default directory for Vazi user mode hyphen d for the default directory, and the directory path home and aqy is the default directory and the username is Vazi. So my default directory is set. uh, Now the Vazi default directory is aqy. You can check into the grep command, grep Vazi and the file location pass wd. And this is the default directory. If you don't know the this directory path, you can use the getent command, getent pass wd and Vazi. Simple. If you don't know the file path, so you can use the getent command for this. Okay, so we have one method uh, to set a default directory. First is this, and second is this: change the configuration file, change the configuration in global file. So I'm going to change cd forward slash etc default and uh, user add. There is no directory. Let me check. cd etc default defa. Okay, and ls user add. Okay. So cd user add. There is no directory. I'm going to add it into the global configuration file. Vim user add. This is the main configuration file. You can change the home directory for all user. You can change the login shell for all, and you can also change the hidden files path. So I'm going to set like I'm going to create a user with forward slash akshay directory. Give me a minute. So home to set for AY AXCR. I'm set it for AXCR. Whenever I add a user in this system, so the default home directory set to forward slash AXCR. I'm going to create this directory in root nk mkdir AXER forward slash AXER is created. AXER is created, and now I'm going to add another user like A2. I'm going to add a user with A2. So let's see how it's work. I'm add a user, and let's check the A2 default directory. Grab A2, and the file is etc passwd. So you can see the default home directory is A2.
Good, good.
Good. And if I add A3, then default home directory automatically set for forward slash xr and forward slash A3. Like you can check into the passwd file. Okay, so you can edit into this. And also uh, if you delete some file .barc file, if you delete some configuration file, so user unable to log in, how you can resolve this? Hello,
Yeah, yeah.
hello, how can you resolve this if you don't have login cell? If you don't have login cell, how can you resolve this?
I, if I don't have login shell, then I have to I have to edit that passwd file, right? There
No, no,
is
no,
no login.
no, no, no. uh, in login in the default home directory, there is no hidden files. Someone deleted your hidden files by mistake, so how can you recover it?
No, that.
Okay, okay, so give me a minute. Like if we deleted, if someone deleted the .brc file or the some hidden file which is necessary for the login cell, how can you recover it? So let's see. mm, First, let's see the login file. cd forward slash home. Sorry, my home directory is now AXER A3. AXER and A3. So here I see these are the default file required for the login cell, and I'm check su A3. Yes, I am able to log in my A3 account, and sudo su password for A3. I'm not set password for A3, so it's showing the password failure. We need to create session again for set password. Login as ec2 hyphen user, public key sudo su, and set password for A3 passwd. You can set password with this command: A3 1234 1234, and password is set. Now come here, 123 ec2 Mm, cancel this operation. Su hyphen ec2 hyphen user, password is 1234. I'm going to delete all file, sudo su, and there is some hidden file l dot. You can check in red hat with l dot. L dot shows your hidden files. I'm going to remove this file rm hyphen rf and press star. So I need to press star. So the .brc files is deleted. I need to delete hidden file dot. If you want to delete the hidden files, then you have to insert dot. So hidden file is deleted. Refusing to remove directory, skipping l dot. So there is no file. Now check how can you log in. I'm creating a scenario. If someone delete your login default file, so how can you recover it? Su I'm trying to log in with a3. So you can see there is no login shell. There is no login shell. It shows bats hyphen 4.4. There is no login shell with a3. Like here you see, when I log in with a3, it shows a3 at the rate something, the host name. And if after removing the file, it shows there is no login shell. So how can you recover it? Sudo su password for 83. a3 is not in the severe file, so I need to change user ec2 hyphen user. So I need to copy some default file from the central location. Whenever we create an user, the .barc file, the .bas file copy from a centralized location. So we need to copy these file and paste into the home directory. So I'm going to copy. Where is file located? File located in cd itc skill skill skill, and here you type l dot. So there is file. I'm going to copy it. Cp hyphen rvf and copy this default file bash logout, bash underscore logout, and also copy the bash profile, bash underscore profile, and also copy the dot bash rc and copy into axer a3. This is the path. So I'm going to copy the hidden file for my login shell. To recover my login shell, bash bash profile and barc paste into my default home directory. I'm going to hit enter. Permission denied because I'm not the super user. So let's try. Sudo file is copied, and let's check a3 get the login shell or not. Su a3 password 1234. So you can see the file is recovered now.
Yeah,
use
yeah, yeah.
login shell. Okay, and um, we can do some more advance in this. And if uh, a company some default file, if a company manager wants all employee have some default files like company rules and all the things, I'm going to create some default file in home directory like touch. I'm going to create mm, like I'm going to create 20 files, 20 files, and these files some basic information, some rules and regulation of my company. So manager wants everyone have that file, so he can read time to time and do work accordingly. So uh, and IT person was very lazy, and he did not want to copy this file again and again to the system. So he create some strategy in this system. So whenever he create an user, these 20 file automatically paste into the home directory. Whenever an IT person create a user, so these 20 file automatically paste into the home directory. So I'm going to create 20 files. Okay, I'm in another sudo su cd. Password is 1234. Su ec2 hyphen user. In next video we will see how we add the e3 user in sudo. Okay. ec2 user 1234, this is my username, and I'm going to create 20 files. Touch ab adc and colon 21 dot dot 20, close the colon, hit enter. Permission denied. Why? I'm not the super user. Sudo. So file is created. Ls. So 20 file is created here. So if I want, whenever a person create a user, some files automatically paste into the home directory. So I need to change the directory. For that, I'm going to paste this file. I am going to paste some file. So our default directory is there where file executed as skin. So you can see there is some default file we can paste here. We can paste here some default file, like I am create here like 10 files here, 1 2 5, and enter. Permission denied. Okay. Sudo su touch 1 a colon 1 to 20 files, sorry 15 files, 15 files created. Ls. So there is 15 file by default automatically paste whenever I create a new user. So let's see, user add. A4. I'm going to create a user with A4. Let's see. I'm going to the home directory. I set it home directory for axcr and ls. A4 is created as per my rule, and cd A4. Hello, hello.
Yeah, yeah, I'm hearing.
So the file is located here or not? Hello, file is located here or not? I executed uh, some commands. You can see file is located here. Whenever we create a user, 15 files by default in it. I'm going to add another user, and let's see. Cd axcr is the home directory. A5 ls 15 file is located here. So you can set as per your rule.
We have to put that file in SQL directory, right?
Yeah, we have to put SQL in SQL directory. So Tasin, my last question is that how can you create user without the user add command?
Voice is,
Hello,
yeah.
how can you create the user without user add command?
No, that
No.
man.
Okay. So let's make a home directory into axcr. I'm going to add a a6 user without user add command. Okay. So mk mkdir mkdir a6. Sorry, I'm going to create a7 user. Okay. So first I need to make a directory into the home user. A7 is created, and then I need to set permission for that. Like uh, all user have different permission and A7 have different permission. So I need to set permission for that. For the permission, we will learn in some next topic. So I'm set it for 700, and my directory is A7. Again check ll. I set my permission, and I'm going to add it in a7. Sorry, I'm going to write some files in passwd vim. Sorry, vim vim /etc /passwd. So I'm right here, uh, dash and a7. I'm going to create a7 user and x, and I'm going to give the UID for 1027 and GID is 1027. I'm not set any comment for that. I'm set the home directory for this Akshar and A5, sorry, A7, and I'm also give the login shell for this
I understood.
bash.
In bash. Yeah.
Okay,
Mhm.
so one file is edited. and I need to add it into another file, group, and also a7 colon x for the password pointer, and set the group id colon. Save this past group id file, set, and let's check my a7 is working or not. ec2, sorry, su a7 a7 is not working because basrc file is not located here. Okay, so I need to copy
To copy, right?
.brc file. So su ec2 hyphen user, password is 1234, sudo su, and cd /etc /skill. I need to copy l dot this file cp hyphen rvf dot bash underscore logout dot bash underscore profile and dot bash rc, copy into axer and a7, copy. So Tasin, tell me it's working or not.
Yeah, I'm watching.
No, I'm asking about it's working or not, because uh, you have to face some question in interview from the same topic.
Okay. In login.
uh, I'm set all the things,
এই
like
জুজাইফান সাউন্ডটা বন্ধ করেন। হুম,
I'm set all the configuration files,
yeah,
and this time
yeah.
a7 login or not,
It should work, right?
it should work.
Yeah, it should work
Let's
because we have copied profile.
okay,
Yeah,
okay, let's check su
to so A7.
a7. Let's check. Permission denied. Why?
Mm. Bash rc dot bash rc permission in. What? Why, man?
Because the ownership of the like
Copied, right?
ownership of the
Oh, yeah.
okay,
We have to change ownership. Yeah.
yeah, we need to change the ownership. I'm going to change ec2
Say June. Oh, from the terminal, I can tell it's not working, right? It's giving that bash 04
yes
dollar,
mon
yeah.
un. I'm going to into the directory cd axer and
A7.
okay, so I need to change ownership
LS. Mm-hmm.
a7 a7.
A7 colon. Okay. Oh, A7 colon A7, yeah. Mm.
So let's check it's working or not.
Mm.
su
Nice.
it's working.
Nice. This is actually my question is now
Okay,
when we use user add and when we use this process.
no, We only troubleshoot this process. By default, we
Oh,
use
okay.
only the user add.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So